Hey, are you run a startup and confused how to grow? Today I want to tell you about one of the best platform. Watch the video till the end for the whole information. Hello everyone, welcomes back to my channel Ajay Digital World. I can suggest affiliate marketing, digital marketing tools, and also suggest the world's best websites to earn money online, and I can share information regarding the world's best affiliate program that you can earn money online. To join, link in description box. So if you interested, please subscribe to my channel and stay with me. Watch the tutorial till the end. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, link in the description box. Subscribe to my channel and watch the video till the end for the whole information. Thanks. Let's start the video.
What exactly is Seedtable? Seedtable is a weekly newsletter that keeps creators, investors, and senior employees informed about the European tech scene. Breakout List inspired it in order to handpick a list of high-impact, high-growth startups to focus on. The company's headquarters are in Paris. If you want to visit the site, link in the description box. Is it true that startups pay well? Startups are also in desperate need of capital, which means they can't afford to pay their workers the same high wages as other firms. While there are a number of drawbacks to paying and benefits with startups, if the business succeeds, you can reap the benefits of success. You have a variety of options for working on this site. 1. You can begin as a startup founder here. 2. You have the choice of working for a startup. 3. Begin as an investor. 4. You can help a startup. Where can I find a startup list? Here's a list of the best startup directories and websites where you can apply your business idea to help you succeed. 1. Go to Google My Business and search for your business. 2. Crunchbase is a database that crunches data. 3. Index.co is a website that allows you to search for things on the internet. Killer Startups is number 4 on the list. 5. My Startup Tool 6. All Top Startups is number 7 on the list. 7. Product Search. What do you think the future of startups is? AI will now play a bigger role in tech startups. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has been making waves in the tech industry for years, but its impact will grow in 2021 and subsequent years. I hope you all really liked the video. Subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Don't forget to share and smash the bell icon. This video is also helpful for all the people who want to start a startup and don't know where to start and where they submit their startup. This video helps that kind of people. Please share the video so the people can get the advantage of this video and gain knowledge about tech startup. Good luck.